Hi, baby. How are you? I hope you're good. I don't know what's happening with the lights.
Lady, if you a bossed out chick, make your own money and floss them chips, fly in, fly out, put your drinks up, buy everything that you ever think of. T. Dot.
Hello, honeys. How are you? I hope you're doing good. If you're new here, my name is Melissa Boss Lady. And if you're not new here, thank you for coming back, darling. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you're a returning subscriber, obviously, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. So today's video is gonna be different. As you can see, I'm all glammed up, courtesy of me, of course. I know, yeah, I'm looking pretty. Please comment down below. Please comment down below, tell me I'm looking pretty. So guys, today is a video for the makeup. I'm just doing makeup, like I'm just doing what I like I mean, like, look at me. Yeah, so guys, today's video is a bit different. It's not a vlog, and yeah, you'll be expecting to see more of this because I've decided to be doing more of makeup videos. Yeah, I'm manifesting that brand to send me packages. Yeah, so period, we have to do it, girl. We have to do it. They say do what you like, and I'm here to do what I like. So you'll see a lot of makeup videos and hair videos. For hair videos, there won't be so much, but there will be much. I think I have quite a number of wigs, and also right now I'm rocking my natural hair. So honey, subscribe. You better subscribe so that you won't miss out. Please subscribe. So yeah, let's get into the video. I don't have much to say, but just looking pretty, like yeah. And if you don't know where to buy makeup products, you can just comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll be offering those services. Yeah, I'll be offering those services. You just tell me what you want. You tell me your, like, you can send a photo of yourself to me so that I can maybe choose a foundation for you. And yeah, I'll do lashes, I'll do the eyeshadow. Like, I'll definitely tell you everything that you need for a start. Yeah, and of course you have to send the cash, or you can do that after or before depending on your budget, but before, or yeah, down payment will work. So you can DM me on Instagram, and you can comment down below if you don't know my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is Melissa underscore the boss lady, but I'm thinking of returning the name to how it was, to Melissa Boss Lady, so that all my social platforms can have like a common name, like just one name, so that's like, if you want to find me anywhere, you can find me, baby. You can find me. Yeah, so like, yeah, let's get quickly into the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm really looking forward for your comments this time round. Love you, honeys.
I put the water in the ocean in the city that You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day want to make me dead, baby. I'm not girl, I wanna make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no, no. This one I beg you, I know get time, Dada cover my face, calling me Big man, we do me, what's it coming? Jiwa coming, all depends. They get them, ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it coming? Jiwa coming, all depends. They get them, ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. Make you do say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, they try to do one. Plenty survive with this. Just to make sure money. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know you, die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon. All the Bentley, they get it, ride the whip, I know we. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows, I'm juggling. Rolling the ocean, port and paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Look at the streets, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get it, ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get it, ride the whip, I know we die for I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, cause I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You fuck like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me the peso, extendo. Funkilla. I let it fall. My heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stay in your arms. The thing them call a broken heart, this blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start, but tell them say I don't see it. A Sean Paul and Sasha. Make me holler, you make me say I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby? I don't say dirty love. I'm still in love with you, boy. Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love. I'm still in love with you, boy. So girl, you try to understand that the man is just a man. That's a dirty love. I'm still in love with you, boy. Because you know we're at the bar, that's the way I give my love. I'm still in love, so I'm still in love with you. What a man gotta do. Girl, when I ever have a promise and I'm bling bling for all a girl. When I just love it when me fling fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Right after that, they give you love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bond. I know you want your cat, and me just can't perform. I show you get a little loving on my God. Don't know how to love me. I don't know the time, you know this. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, now they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the back stands. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no lap dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My all the time change. I'm still playing the victim, and you still playing the picky. It's all